Welcome back to Lee's Lifestyle. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use the Salad Master oil core skillet, and today I'm making fried chicken without using any oil, and today I'll use the chicken thighs. Welcome. So for the ingredients, I'll need chicken thighs, I'll need the oil core Salad Master skillet. This is how it looks like, and it comes with this little gadget. So I'll turn it on the temperature side, and then I'll increase the temperature to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a little hole right here where I'm gonna insert this like that. So I'll open it until it heats up. To see if the skillet is ready, I'll use some little water and just do this. When I see the crystals, the water forming in form of crystals, then I know the skillet is ready. So I'll start placing in the chicken. One at a time. Then I will place the lid, but I'm not gonna cover it completely like so. I will just crack it open a little bit, and then I'll put the paper towel or the napkin right in between here, just to catch the little oil that splashes from the chicken. So we'll be back after about 15 minutes to check and turn the chicken to the other side. So after about 15 minutes, I'll open the skillet and check. You see how much oil has oozed out from the chicken. So I'm ready to turn. Try to use a clean utensil, not the one that you handled the raw chicken with. You can either wash it or use a different one. So this is a clean one. So I'm gonna turn the chicken to the other side like that, and notice the chicken is not sticking on the Salad Master skillet. So because the oil is splashing, that's why I'm using the napkin right here, and I'll crack open the lid just a little bit so you don't make a big mess. So this side, we'll wait for this side to cook, and then I'll check if the chicken is thoroughly cooked, then it will be ready. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.